Toyota has stubbornly refused to introduce Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, but the automaker has used the Consumer Electronics Show to announce it will bring Amazon's Alexa to select vehicles later this year. Set to be offered on Lexus and Toyota models with the Inform App Suite 2.0 and the Intune 3.0 App Suite, Alexa will enable users to get directions and control their smart home simply by speaking. As an example, drivers could tell Alexa to turn on the living room lights while the owner is pulling into the garage. Digital assistants have become increasingly popular over the past few years, and a number of automakers have begun to incorporate them into their vehicles. Jeep added the technology to the 2018 Cherokee, and the BMW Group plans to roll out Alexa to BMW and Mini models starting later this year.